Hello friends, welcome. This is Ravitelugu. I'm here to make you perfect in computer basics as well as MS Office. The course name is that Computer Basics with MS Office. In this course, we are going to discuss the basics of a computer and the computer fundamentals, and after that we'll be discussing Microsoft Office. In MS Office, we are going to discuss Microsoft Word from basics to advanced level, and as well as Microsoft Excel from basics to advanced level. Along with that, we also discuss Microsoft PowerPoint, and after that the course also gives you guidance on internet as well as the mailings. So this is a one course where you can learn the complete computer basics along with the MS Office applications. See you inside the course. Thank you.